So now relation between
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon. Relation between gravitational field and potential. Gravitational field and potential. Okay. Now, generally, if we will see and we will compare basic formulas, we are having E is equal to what, Ray? Generally, Gm by R square, and V is equal to what, Ray? Minus Gm by R. If we will compare these two, can I write like this? Phi is equal to E into R minus E into R. Can I write like this? That is capital R or small r, whatever it is. Yes, no? Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Means just if I will multiply with capital R, then I will get potential. So same, this is just from definition or from formulas we have concluded. So see now, same like this only, but derivative and integration. So first formula, that is minus dV is equal to E into dr. Okay, that is E bar dot dr bar, dot product. That is nothing but E bar is equal to minus dV by dr. Okay, what is that? dV bar by dr bar. This is what your first relation. Okay. Next one, when you will use this, when gravitational potential is given and gravitational field intensity he is asking, then you use this formula. Okay. Now, if suppose he has given gravitational field intensity and you want to find gravitational potential, then you will use this formula, hai na? That is what? dV is equal to minus E dr. These are the not two formulas. This is only one formula, but just I have separated and wrote as a 1 and 2. Okay, same formula only. So if I am taking integration on both sides here, minus integration of E dr or E bar dot dr bar, then I will get this integration of dV is what? Phi, and minus integration of E bar dot dr bar. If suppose now again he is asking you potential from 0 to R limit, you can keep 0 to R limit. Understand? Whatever, without limit or with limit, you can do it yourself. Understood? Yes? Clear? So these formulas you have to keep it in mind. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. One small problem I am taking. One of derivative and one of integration and one of dot product. Then you will understand. So small problems we will solve. So see here. Problem number 1. Now V is equal to 3R square. V is equal to what? 3R square. Okay, then what you have to find? E is equal to how much when R is equal to 2 meter? Then see, E is equal to what formula? Minus d dr of this phi. So this is equal to minus d dr of this 3r square. So this is equal to what, Ray? You see 3 also I am taking out, minus 3 d dr of r square. So one formula we know, d dx of x power n. Bolo bolo kya hai formula? N into x power n minus 1. Yes or no? Yes. Right. Now here minus 3 into what you will get here? 2 into r. Yes. Yes, no. Minus 3 into 2 into r. Yes, check karo. So how much this is, Ray? Minus 6r. This is E. Now r is equal to how much, Ray? R is equal to 2 meter. Don't substitute r is equal to 2 meter here only. Will you get same? Yes, no. You will get same? Yes. So E is equal to how much here? Minus 6 into 2. So E is equal to what? Minus 12 volt. Okay, very easy. Just for understanding this problem is like this problem nobody will ask you. Just for understanding how to take derivative. Okay, clear? Something like this, 3r square is a function and you have to find E when r is equal to 2 meter. And like this I have taken derivative just for understanding, and E is equal to how much? Minus 12 volt. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, finished? Yes, finished.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Next problem. Small problem just for understanding. Okay. See here, next problem. E bar given, E bar is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap. Okay. And here dr bar is equal to I cap plus j cap. क्या है देखो, E bar is there, dr bar is there, and what you have to find? We have to find phi is equal to how much? Now what is formula? Phi is equal to minus E bar dot dr bar. सही है ना? Here it is it necessary to take integration in this case? Is it necessary to take integration? No. Yes, no. Is it necessary? Do you know dot product? Do you know dot product? Yes or no? Do you know dot product? Please tell. Speak out.
No,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, do you know dot product? Nisha, do you know dot product? No. Okay, so I'm telling you here, don't worry. See here, this corner, you keep it in mind. Why you people are not speaking, I don't know. What is use of taking Zoom class then? If you are not interacting, then recording and keeping only better, na? You should speak. See here. Suppose I am giving heading that is dot product. If you don't know also, you will learn here. No problem. Dot product. See here. If suppose you are having A bar is equal to AX I cap plus AY J cap plus AZ K cap, and B bar is equal to BX I cap plus BY J cap plus BZ K cap. Okay. And now I want to find A bar dot B bar. Then this is equal to AX into BX. Okay. I dot I is 1 plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. Why? Because I dot I is equal to J dot J is equal to K dot K is equal to 1, and remaining all other combinations I dot J, J dot K, K dot I is equal to 0. Understand? I dot I is equal to J dot J is equal to K dot K is equal to 1. That's why you see I dot I only terms I have taken. I dot I 1. That's why AX into BX. J dot J 1. That's why AY into BY. AZ into BZ. K dot K is 1. Remaining all other combinations 0. That's why no need. Let's take one example. CR. I am taking one example also. Okay. See here one example. Suppose A bar is equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap plus K cap, and B bar is equal to I cap plus 2J cap plus let us suppose K cap. Now I want to find A bar dot B bar. What I will do? 2 into 1, 2. है ना? I multiply. Just I multiply. 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 into 2, 6 plus 1 into 1, 1. है ना? कितना होगा? 2 plus 6 plus 1. कितना? बोलो.
9.
Yes?
9.
What A bar dot B bar. Understood? Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you see here also. This is what dot product. Now here, are you getting any noise? Yes?
No, sir.
Okay, good. So see here, this is minus E bar. I am substituting first 2I cap plus 3J cap dot this dr, that is I cap plus J cap. Now just multiply with this I. What you will get? This is minus, you keep it common. Lastly, we will multiply, okay, with minus. So this 2 into 1, 2. Okay, plus this 3 into 1, how much? 3. सही है ना? So how much this is? Minus 5. सही है ना? So this phi is equal to what? Minus 5 volt. सही है क्या? चेक करो एक बार. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like this dot product you have to do. ठीक है? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now you understood dot product, how to do?
Understood, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now you will do next problem, right?
Yes, sir.
इसको हम जूल पर केजी रखेंगे क्या? ये जो अपना यूनिट है, इसको हम क्या करेंगे? जूल पर केजी रखेंगे क्या? ये जो यूनिट है, इसको हम हमेशा जूल पर केजी लगाएंगे, ठीक है? इसको जो यूनिट है ना, ये हमेशा आप जूल पर केजी लिखो. एक ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल है ना. हाँ, तो इधर भी एक काम करो, ये जो वोल्ट है ना, इसको रिप्लेस करके जूल पर केजी लगाओ. ठीक है? जूल पर केजी. ठीक है, ये लिखो यूनिट. क्लियर हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Next now, see here problem. Now you will do it yourself. The gravitational field in a region is given by E bar is equal to 4I cap plus 3J cap Newton per kg. The gravitational potential at the points three m, 2m and 1 meter, 1,4 meter करेंगे. 1,4 meter if the potential at the origin एक काम करो इसको ये जो पॉइंट्स है ना इसको चेंज करो विल टेक लाइक दिस 3 meter comma 0 and 0 comma 4 meter if the potential at the origin if the potential at the origin is taken to be 0 is taken to be 0 अब देखो क्या करेंगे रे फिर से इसको इसमें फिर से क्या करेंगे P bar is equal to minus E bar dot R bar है ना। तो देखो केस वन के लिए यू आर हैविंग E bar is equal to 4I cap plus 3J cap and R bar is equal to what ray 3I cap only, understand, because this is only x point, no y component, y coordinate we can say. And in the second case, you see in second case what is you have E bar is equal to same 4I cap plus 3J cap and R bar is equal to what 4J cap. So ये क्या? So can you do it now in first and second case? Can you do it yourself? Can you do it yourself? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ करो फिर नंबर 1 P is equal to minus E bar dot R bar, so minus 4I cap plus 3J cap dot 3I cap. बोलो आंसर R bar is formula. See here, this is x component ना x coordinate. तुम्हारे मैथ्स में x and y coordinate नहीं रहता क्या रे? ये x है या y है? ये क्या है x, ये क्या है y. This is suppose point is somewhere here. This is how much 3 meter. Is there any point? No. This is along which axis? X axis. That's why 3I cap. Okay. Is there any component? 0J. That's why 3I cap plus 0J. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Minus 12 is the right answer. Nisha. Yes. And now you understood? Please tell. Now you understood?
Yes, sir.
How I got R bar and all? Yes.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Now see here. This is I and this I. 4I, 3I. J component no need to multiply because only I component in dot product. So how much this is? 4I, 3, 12. है कि नहीं? So this is how much? Minus 12 joule per kg. है ना? Yes. Energy can be negative. Yes. हो गया? Yes. Second one you tell. Second one answer. Do it for second one also. In second one, You see here E bar dot R bar. Yes, second one also minus 12, right? You see this is J cap. J should be multiplied with J, not with I. So you see this is J and this is J. So how much here? Minus 12 joule per kg. This is what P. Yes, no? Yes. Don't multiply with I. J component, that is. You see the point. Clear है? हो गया?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. चलो अब एक कॉलम देखेंगे जल्दी जल्दी नेक्स्ट पेज पे. हाँ, see here. I am making one column or one chart, we can say. Whatever we have learned till this moment of time, I'm just keeping in one box so that it is very easy to remember. In first, you write down shape. In this, I am writing intensity. In this, potential. In this potential again, I am making 3 parts as well as in intensity also. See, first one, hollow sphere. Okay, first one is what? Hollow sphere. And here I am writing outside, on the sphere, inside the sphere. Here also outside, outside the sphere, on the sphere, and inside the shape, we can say, whatever it is. So hollow sphere. Outside, क्या है formula? Gm by r square, gravitational field intensity. On the sphere, Gm by r square, है ना? And inside is 0. Keep it in mind. Next, gravitational potential, you see. What is outside gravitational potential? Minus Gm by r. On the cell, minus Gm by r. Inside is also minus Gm by r. Okay. Next, hollow sphere tarvata, solid sphere. Okay, what is next? Solid sphere. For this again, Gm by small r square. Then this is Gm by r square. Inside is how much? G m small r divided by r cube. Here it is minus gm by r. Here it is minus gm by capital R. Inside is what? Minus gm by r cube. 3r square minus small r square by 2. This is what? Gravitational potential inside the solid sphere. Next one, that is ring. Next one, next shape is ring. Okay. So for ring, what is the outside gravitational intensity? G-M-R divided by R square plus whole power 3 by 2, है ना? So something like this. R square plus small r square whole power 3 by 2. Outside, है ना? Then on कितना होगा? Just R is equal to capital R, है ना? तो आपको कितना आएगा? G-M-R divided by 2r square whole power 3 by 2, है कि नहीं? यस, जो भी है. और उसके बाद इनसाइड कितना आएगा? 0. नेक्स्ट हियर, in case of gravitational potential, minus gm divided by under root of r square plus small r square. Next here, minus gm by root 2r, and here inside minus gm by capital R. Understood? This is what? The intensity and potential due to different shapes. ठीक है? If you want to write, you can write in small letters here. R is greater than capital R. Here you can write R is equal to capital R. Here you can write R is less than capital R. Similarly, here also R is greater than capital R. R is equal to capital R. And R is less than capital R. है ना? You can write now this. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Outside on inside. ठीक है? Note down this table. Yes, I will share YouTube link. Just wait. Okay.